Make sure no one's looking. Also, guys, it's Harvey here. We've just been. We weren't going to film today. Oh, I've got a fresh haircut as well.
I have not.
I've got that. But we've just been to pick up something, which I'll show you in a minute on the front camera. Just literally only 30 minutes away from where I live, so I went to pick it up. I don't know when we're going to pick this up because it should hopefully fit, but it's a new dump valve. It's a HKS SSQV one, sequential dump valve, which should make the like proper Subaru dump valve noise, and it's had new fin in it and stuff, and it looks in great condition. Look at that, blow off valve.
Blab, blab.
So it looks sick, looks brand new basically.
Even the HKS logo is still
clean. Yeah, good find, 125 quid, brand new for 260, so yes.
And the bracket looks like it'll fit.
I'll keep updated when we actually fit it, and the bracket looks like it should fit on my car. So yeah, sick.
Very hard to video in this car. Now if I slid the seat back a bit, I'm about to get you in. It's hard to bounce. Oh, it's so bouncy in here, fuck me. Yeah, I'm trying to get a cool video of you driving, but it's very bouncy. Not as bad as the Clio. I know, but this is a very cool shot, mate.
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh, right, sorry.
Before I put the HKS one on. What was not there? There's like a turbo thing on the back of your phone. There's like a turbocharger, mate.
I am prepared. The camera jiggled a bit. It's a bit jiggly. Oh, camera's going. Mate, it's so good. Such a cool shot. Every time we come up, camera does this. Might be a bit windy in here. This video is shaky video at work. We're off.
The dump valve currently on it, which is a forged one, which was taken off, and there's a gasket behind there, and see if this one we bought fits. So I'll be back with you in a minute.
Man.
Oh.
Here you go.
This is way much easier to do than yours, isn't it?
It is, mate.
Oh, bastard to get
Right,
in. Oh, wait.
What? Oh, different bolt size.
That one will go in.
Oh.
I can't get that one in because that's in the way. Right, so if you're struggling to get that bolt in there, you can actually just twist back to get the bolt in, which is what I did.
Ta-da!
And that works, so you can actually rotate it. So
That only took 20 minutes to figure
that
out.
bolt's staying there, that's going to go like that.
The engine bay is so far to lean over. You're basically inside the car.
That's going to be so tight to this intake. Big dump valve. That's only got 2 bolts on it.
Yes. You probably need a 1/2-inch drive, guys, to get the original one out. A 1/4-inch drive won't budget with it with tight, so make sure you've got a 1/2-inch drive. Otherwise you'll be snapping tools. But we did do it hot, to be fair.
Just thinking now, I want to try and get some onto that armour. I need a little one.
All you need is a spanner, just a ring spanner. Have you got a ring spanner? I may have one in my toolbox.
I'll see if I can get it with this.
What, you bend the end? Would that twist out the way? Upwards, while you got in or not? Oh, it's go downwards.
So that's now on. We've sort of tilted this down a bit, which sort of works. so that's not got much strain on it. So let's see what it looks like. That's all fitted. Just gonna test it. We'll have to like clamp that. Hopefully that stays on. If not, other one will be going back on for now.
It's a proper job.
So we're back to finish the dump valve install. We've been running it. I'll show you actually. First, I'll show you how we have been running it. So, sorry, we've got a new gimbal here, so
we're practicing.
It might be a bit sketchy, but it should hopefully make the fucking videos look better. This was a bit tight, which slid on there. And as you can see, it like pokes through there, so I didn't want to leave it like that to damage it. So I did some research, and when new, these HKS dump valves should come, we'll go around here, with one of these things, which is basically a vacuum line filter, I believe, to stop like oil and stuff getting into the dump valve from the turbo. So that should be fitted, and then also HKS send out some 4mm vacuum line. I've actually got 3.2. It shouldn't make a difference, but my 4mm one I ordered some red vacuum line, hasn't come yet. So for now, just 'cause I wanted to get it finished, I bought this, which it should fit. Shouldn't make much difference. 4mm to 3.2. It's only for a day. It'll be fine. And what else have we got? So the first thing to do is that needs to go into the standard vacuum line. Seeing as that's a bit thicker, and this is like a 5mm vacuum line. So that goes up there. Like that. What colour cable type should we go for?
Red.
Red. So we'll do it.
Everything else is red.
And then this cable tie. Make sure that's pushed up. Cable tie that around there. Help if I had it the right way. Oh, this is a right funky thing.
No, that's me doing that. I'm trying to get some good shots.
So, that's the filter cable tied on. You're supposed to replace that as well with your full service, I think, from what I read. I could be wrong, but apparently you're supposed to replace it. 10 quid for a piece of plastic.
Ridiculous.
Actually 14 quid including delivery. And then, I can just leave all that.
Leave it hanging out.
So this
Please turn. Thank you.
should just sit on there. It's a bit tight, but when 4mm comes, I'll switch it anyway. But that should sit there. I need somewhere to like loop this, you know, so that's not gonna just like that.
Yeah.
And then like to there. Or
yeah, probably leave it a little bit
down
longer
there.
than yeah.
And then back.
Yeah, that's probably your best bet. The famous tunnel walk.
So I actually checked if this fits on. Oh, fucking that snug in it.
Snug as a bug. Too snug?
No, I think it'll be fine. That'll be changed in a day or two. So I'll leave that there. Just have that going under there. And you just fucking cut it there, send it. I don't know if you're supposed to cut it with this, but
Yeah, stand the knife, it will be better. That way it's fine. I think that should be fine, mate. Remember how
it's
long
temporary, innit?
Yeah.
Until the alarm comes, so it'll be fine. Why did I put my cable ties back over here? Oh, another cable tie. And that for now. Like I say, I think if you're going to do this, make sure you get a 4mm vacuum line. That's what comes with the HKS dump valve from standard. And that's what I've got coming, but it should have been here today and it didn't come today. And I'm impatient.
Patient.
So, yeah, that's what it should look like. Have that filter in it to protect that. You also put one of them in, I think, if you're having boost gauges on and stuff. Whereas obviously when you have a boost gauge, you split it there.
Spazzing out then.
So yeah, that's that. I might do another shot when the fall. I'll wait until the Formula 1 comes in red and show that finish. But for now, that'll do. Happy days.
This gimbal does what the fuck it wants.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home.
So I've just been sat in my living room editing the video for the HKS dump valve and realised I never did an outro, so I thought I'd just put this at the end of the dump valve clips that are on the video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I've got some more content planned for Subaru soon. I've just not had time to film. So I'll be filming some videos soon. I've got some ideas wrote down, so hopefully they'll be coming very soon. Other than that, please subscribe, like the video if you did enjoy it, and comment anything you'd like me to cover on the Subaru, or any video ideas you've got and would like to see. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. See you.